Nen puoch gi pak ne kambi fwambo gi keyo mar Royal Media Services manyolandi kaka mano mosetimo maber e rang'iny mamalo kendo motelo weche mag chuogo lony manyasani e yor fwambo e pacho ka. Manyo otimore e kinde nyasi midendo ni Marketing Society of Kenya Awards MSK, ma bende timore higa ka higa kendo chiwo thuolo mar fwambo kata kembe fwambo ma bende osetiyo matek mar nyuolo lony manyasani e sekta mopogore opogore. Koloso e kind nyasino, maneja mar kambi mar RFS Shufa Singwa nopuoyo okang' makama kowacho ni jotije mag kambino tiyo matek, gino mosechwalo dongruok mar kambino. Jakom mar MSK Ruhuya Ogada bende omedo ni gibiro medo keto okenge mag konyo chwalo sektas mopogore kod fwambo kendo chiwo puoch ne jokambino.
Is a validation to the hard work that our teams put in every day. The Citizen Digital app is an innovative app that is targeted for the young population, young generation. So we are calling out to the young people, engage with the Citizen Digital app, download the Citizen Digital app. We have exciting original content on the platform for you.
Today was disrupted. You could see it across. I mean, from the amazing board that I actually lead, you could even see how it was brought through. I mean, we've got diversity across. And the bigger part of the disruption is even into the business. Today we have seen the different businesses that we've never known about even win awards. We've seen the younger students take up the marketplace. We were happy to roll the red carpet for them. And that was disruption as well, you know. So we have to ensure that organizations are also ready. And that's why our theme this year resonates with where the future is.